My name is Nura Aisyah Dini binti Syari. My metric number is 2025-307-997. I'm going to explain to you guys about our business background. Alright, Song Song Self Studio was established on the 9th July 2023. The name Song Song was created inspired by the Hokkien language. Okay, as the founder is originally from China. Okay, this business was created to meet the rising demand for the creative and convenient photo taking space, especially for the younger generation. We love and enjoy to sharing the moment on the social media. Okay, they started with one location at 32 Lorong 17, Taman Petani Jaya, Sungai Petani. And now they proudly to say that they expanded and currently have two branches, which is located at Jitra and Sungai Petani. Okay, also this business is built on a strong partnership, which is help them to grow and manage their operation more effectively lah. Alright, so we go to the next part. Okay, Song Song is a modern self photo studio where customer can take their own photo using the high quality equipment in team room. They're so fun, stylish, and full equipped with professional lighting. Okay, it is space for individual, families, couple, or even content creator or online seller who want a creative photo. To launch this business, they invested to starting capital around 80 to 100,000, which cover renovation, equipment, and initial marketing. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Ramzi. My matrix number 202-554-5165. So today I will presenting the business characteristic for sole proprietorships for Song Song Studio. This business was a photography and videography business. Okay, so this business choose sole proprietorship business because it was the most easiest and most effective structure for a small creative business like Samsung Studio. They also have full control over every decision from creative decision to financial planning and fewer regulations compared to other business types. Okay, next, one challenge he faced as a sole prototype is unlimited liability. This means he personally responsible for all debts and legal issues. It also makes it harder to raise funds from investors who often prefer more formal business structure like partnership or corporateship. Okay, currently Samsung Studio is managed solely by owner. However, for larger projects such as wedding, corporate events, he hire freelance photographer and video editors. This allow him to scale up while staying flexible. The key assets of the business include the SLR camera, lighting equipment, editing computer, Adobe Creative Cloud license, professional backdrops, and small studio space that rent and partially own. So, when you guys can see at this slide, I attach the image that you can refer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noh Maira binti Mahanzir. My matric number 2025-947-167. Now, I will explain about the recording process of the business and financial statement. There are 7 steps in this recording process. First, transaction. The process starts when the business transaction is occurred. Second, source document. Every transaction is supported by source document like invoice and receipt. Third, journal. The transaction is recorded in the journal. Fourth, ledgers. The journal entries are then posted to the ledger account. Fifth, trial balance. A trial balance is prepared for check the accuracy of the ledger's balance. If yes, proceed to financial statement. If no, adjustment need to be made. Next, adjustment. Adjustment are made to correct any error or update the account. Finally, financial statement. Financial statement is prepared based on adjusted trial balance. For Song Studio, spreadsheet or logbook are used to record all the business transaction like daily cash flow, monthly cash out, sales report. Staff will record daily and update the report weekly. Ledgers was used to record balance sheet or income statement like cash, account receivable.
Hi, my name is Nur Ainazira binti Ramli and my matrix number is 2025349725. For the weakness of Song Studio is temporary recording during busy period, which is during a peak or busy period, the staff at the Song Studio does not immediately input the transaction into the main spreadsheet. Instead, they record the financial data temporarily on A4 paper. This method ensure that transactions are not forgotten. It increase the risk of the data loss. Misplacement or error during the later transfer process. Second is lack of the centralization recording system. Currently, Samsung Studio relies on spreadsheet and manual logbook for financial recording. Although these tools are functional, the lack of automation and integration. There is no centralized or dedicated financial recording system, which makes the process less systematic and potentials prone to inefficiency as a studio grow. But in future, Samsung Studio wanna develop or adopt a more structured digital system to improve the accuracy, the consistency, and accessibility. Yeah, I want to talk about the strength and the weakness for the Samsung Studio. Samsung Studio is offer a multiple payment method to ensure the flexibility and convenience for its customer. This include the cash, QR code payment, which is e-wallet, for example, Touch and Go and Boost, and online banking, also online banking. By providing this option, customer can choose the method the best suit of them, which help it improve the overall customer experience. From the business perspective, this digital payment method also makes it easier to track and manage the transaction. Every online or QR payment comes with a record, which is useful for both of the business and the customer in case of the disputes or for the bookkeeping purpose. However, for the cash payment, there is no automatic digital receipt. To address this, Samsung Studio come out with the e-receipt, which is a digital receipt to customer. This help to ensure the the cash transaction are documented and offering transparency proof of the payment. For the secondly is a monthly financial report. For the staff, Samsung Studio is responsible for recording all financial transactions on a weekly basis lah. This routine practice help to ensure the every transaction, whether the income or expenditure, is accurate, documented, and no financial activity is missed by updating records weekly. Is also reduce the workload during the preparation of the monthly financial report and minimize the risk of error due to forgot or lost information. The studio is used to main tools for recording transaction is a spreadsheet which allow for the organized and easy to accessible digital records, and a manual logbook which is serve as a backup and a quick reference for a daily entries. These dual recording methods support better accuracy and transparency in financial tracking, especially in case with digital system might fail or where verification system might verification again handwriting record is needed.